Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gate Diary. So in previous lecture, I completed the percentage copper saving, how to calculate the copper saving for auto transformer, and the formula for percentage copper saving, this is basically 1 by A auto by 100, you will get in percentage. So in today's lecture, I will tell you about the different components of power transfer in auto transformer. Okay, so in auto transformer you will get two different types of power. One is conduction, because of conduction, and second one because of induction. Okay, so we will see the two different types of power, conduction and because of induction or because of transformer action. Okay, this is the diagram of auto transformer. This is VH, IH, and this is the series winding. Basically, this is A, B, and C. AC is the complete winding, AB is the series winding, and BC is the common winding. Okay, so if you are finding the apparent power at the load side, SLV, low voltage side, how to calculate? VL into IL. Okay, so VL into IL. VL, and you can add IL minus IH and plus IH. Okay, just I am adding plus IH and minus IH. So you will get some beautiful relationship, IL minus IH and plus VL into IH. Okay, so there are two components of this apparent power at load side. So this component is called inductive transfer, or you can say this power is because of transformer action. This is inductive transfer, and this one VL into IH, this is VL into this IH, this is because of conduction. This is conductive transfer. Okay, so if you want to calculate the apparent power of this BC winding, how to calculate? V into I, VL, and how much current is flowing through the BC? VL into how much current through BC? IL minus IH. Okay, so you can write VL IL minus VL IH. Okay, and you can replace this VL IL with, because you know VL IL equal to VH IH. Okay, so you can replace VL IL with VH IH, and take IH common, and you will get something VH minus VL. You know, IH into VH into VL, this is which voltage? This is the VH minus VL. Okay, this one into this current IH. So this is okay. So this VH minus VL into IH, this is basically SAB. Okay, this is the apparent power across AB winding. So you can say this SAB equal to SBC. One conclusion. Now you can find out the ratio of this S conductive by S total. Then you will get to know how much power you are getting from conduction and how much percentage of power you are getting from the induction. Okay, so how to calculate? You can calculate the ratio of different power S conductive by S total. How much you will get? Conductive, how much you are getting? This is VL IH you are getting because of conduction by total. Total is VH IH, or in another word you can say conductive is same VL IH by VL IL. Okay, so cancel out. This is cancel out. You are getting something. This one VH by VL. This is A auto, and this is equal to IH by IL. This is also 1 by A auto. Okay. So S conductive by S total equal to copper saving, or you can say this is equal to 1 by A auto. Similarly, you can find out the S inductive by S total. S inductive, already you know IL. This is S inductive basically IL minus IH into VL. Okay, so IL minus IH into VL divided by VH IH equal to IL minus IH VL, or VL by IL. After solving this, you will get 1 minus 1 by A auto, or you can say 1 minus copper saving, because 1 by auto equal to copper saving. So S inductive by S total equal to 1 minus copper saving. So this is very simple. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks.